of the fathers of the land, Apostle Francis Amoako Atta, ebusia wode revelation bi asabe bom na we dey any so. In fact, any ehu USA omunyina ye okire mu akire se eja na ebehye ho no mo no ne nsuo ne ade nsuo ne da ne moja ne are de da bi eyemo nketua akese ebeba Ghana so osi yenyina ye na afi do okire mu se 2025 we ebusia ahwe bi September October there you know why cause yes betimi apie efremu aba aha Penyah Block Media mesro say any day mo obe like video no ada roma obe subscribe button so na be click by the professional corner for latest update aba kire ba adwene e dey am e wo comment section oba so a no share video na ma ofro so enya bi ahye na sa Apostle Francis Amoako Atta no kana asme e no go pie mu Onua FM 95.1 with nana ya abrefo e ho no de eniema bi agese nyamia bi ne niema ne hu 2025 a ebesisi wo mia wiase afa na nyina na wo kire mu se yone kese bi be ba fa wiase nyina aye mframa emu duru.
Yeah.
He has moved from marital home into family house.
So I'm here, Tree.
Because then the first day the devil want to shift you from is your home.
Your home.
The place of the enemy is to the plan of the enemy is to invade homes so that people will run and hide themselves in their houses inside of their homes. You see, back what Tiffy. Then I become social media. Trying to shift you. Now, one more to us, and I use what him Simeon. Bon some pursue no shift. Nana, I never shift you. The real 95.1. Use the word clambering. International will start from March. From March, you go.
Papa. Wow.
Some can't shift, you know. They can't win.
Yes.
From man, Miss Slow. I feel Miss Slow, and Nipa Baby.
And from Anna, a free few ways here. Bono, and you're from a kito, and Rubelia. Dear Bono, March. Wow.
It will start from March.
Jesus.
Anywhere, everywhere.
And from what to ebe feriase. Na otrem se America for aboma to a omude Donald Trump ne de. In fact, omubeti ni suo. Ombe nu omo ho. Se omugo to aba eyi Trump.
Dabio. She say I know bad no. I know bad no. It will shift everywhere. Mgrofo America. Omunya hu America hu but ombe nu omo wan so omo to aba.
People from March
they come chiro. They will be so regret. Say omo to aba ma Trump. They will be so regret.
Onua FM 95.1.
What is going to happen? And Iran is going to hit Israel for the third time, and they are going to hit them the dangerous one.
My goodness.
The Nona, Misudo.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
And Tokwa I hear quite say a bit.
I feel never.
They are trying to exchange prisoners.
And a catalyst for the real battle. Catalyst. Some can send to one.
Wow.
The catalyst. The catalyst. The notion in Yamia, Yabama, Yama Boba, Yadene. Koyetia ye. President Kufuambres. Petru. Barako 120. You tear here, you witness.
Wow. Even here in Ghana.
Onua FM 95.1.
It's just unfortunate, you know. I was said, just say, you're tinting. Pow, I'm telling you.
Just say, you didn't my boy. You
didn't my boy. Let's say, you put measures.
Papa, let's say, Balasa, a Bibaka, then you say, Namino, one direct year. America for we see as God intervening. And then here we see as God intervening. To say, de matter.
It was Trump say America for you Trump in the Omenu because Trump wasn't the choice of God. Or Trump that Trump wasn't the choice of God. Nebusia, no was that in commission be new revelation be abomua or Tremua and Tokobi boba. Nantoquano, see her answano na ebejin sira habeji he any hwebi enkosi September October dear. Yesu betimi aba.
ɛno nti na afu mpɛsɛ badia teaching ho hia pa me panika na so this year na meka no begin from nena okay 7 things God never promise eniema so
a nyame nhyɛbɔ wo ho
ɔnhyɛbɔ wo ho bisi ne ɔnhyɛ ho
eniema nso
ɔnhyɛbɔ so na Yesu asan ba bi yasi ɔnhyɛ into manifesto into
Onua FM 95.1
manifesto bosse bia ni ho ebetimi a repent sa match
your body we see Ghana ni America kan wa anhye ho bo
enti ya bosse na ebe bi
ya honna che say enipa ebe pa ba no enu nti na nanai aban bi aba so titiri Africa
yes
onti ne promise onti me yakwata
Gabi expectations wo
expectations wo na jiegu
manifesto niema egum nya asem ketwa benfa emfa eh
photo na I am praying so much say dear me who no man na bomb and do no my because yes from the second world war America for Haiti Hiroshima and Nagasaki this is the time
Onua FM
wow that we might witness the third world war.
Oh yeah, nuclear world war, nuclear because Iran front Israel person hate Iran. Iran person hate Israel first. No hate America for attacking.
Or by responding. Yes.
Now Trump and all the Trump Tower will be hit. Now we are going to see the beast in Donald Trump. The real beast.
Jesus. Wow.
So you see a mom pay a massa papa we. Hey. A dangerous trumpeter
Oh America. Papa America was so I can you know.
Oh yeah. The Trump will sound a dangerous trumpet.
Wow.
Across the whole world.
Onua FM 95.1.
If the towers not a hit,
you go like a man. You go like a man, person.
Wow.
Nothing can stop him. Nipa out in form.
Debbie.
No sajin sem. Yani dia no bed. Yani dia no bed. Ntino oh nya Trump nyam pai bo pa to tame him. Said be and near maybe.
Ebufo ni beba fam.
And yes, he is going to be like a wild donkey in the desert.
Dangerous. Wow.
And America will lose total respect in the whole world. I know that. But I'm saying, come so, keep saying it.
Yes.
Keep saying it.
True.
Keep saying it all the way from 2020.
Yes.
God has not finished with
Onua FM 95.1.
Emotion.
Okay.
Problem, no. He's the man of emotion. Now, lead the beer or use emotion.
Emotions, the leading. It doesn't end well.
No, it doesn't. We see on all the social media, so people will be looking for his downfall. Oh yeah. People will be looking and on American allies need a problem. Okay, because America cannot do without Europe.
No.
Don't forget, I said, a Bush and so America can call Iraq and Iraq for defeat. The 20 Britain Temuan or Britain for account.
Yeah.
And then they were able to defeat.
Yeah.
It is a no Europe.
You free which is looking like he started already.
I started already. Sure. It's the most dangerous path. And I China
or tram what yato
no aka wachiri wo tram what yato no aka wachiri si ya I too serious and baby okay can come
it's quite dangerous.
It's quite dangerous. Say but let's move all the Palestinians. I wouldn't say a prophecy.
Yeah,
but one hand in here a timing bomb. It's a prophecy, it's a timing bomb.
Wow.
Because all say Netanyahu no me two and about so he has nothing to lose.
Debbie.
Okay. He has it's a new
one year. Woni we are dear.
Your mom pay mom. He will just cause.
Only FM 95.1.
Hey, one was 6 days war Arabs be solitary. Said this time a son baby more. That time no, they were not prepared like today.
Yeah.
Say 6 days war.
Almost come
home. Na Egypt is original, Iran is original. Syria will be a tattoo, cut a tattoo. Israel, they will wipe them out. Israel, and no so be another prophecy. That is the pain of the suffering of Jacob. Jacob is Israel.
Yeah.
And so it is written.
Sure.
The pain of Jacob. The suffering of Jacob.
Wow.
Israel that suffers the most terrible one. And whatever they want to do. Now I am misinformation. And on there because honor
gas 95.1
at the Punuma be P Gaza.
Yeah.
Enti wo mo person mo kire no mutu. And this Arab states no so mo ya we. Enti say we can say
Israel person too. Ekwane mem. Omo so so ma kwan.
Enti no person and
omo fa ta na ho.
Omo contact romachi. Enti yan kire wo. Ya kire mu we pen then they tackle.
Ya kwa kotu.
Ya kwa kotu. That is omo nti. Everything's in the Bible. But how you handle prophecy can become frustrated.
Wow.
Very frustrated. And it's always the wind blowing and the shift.
From a born in able.
Wind and the shift.
Wow.
Wind and the shift. And the other side of Netanyahu's government no Zionists. Penyah said they want to build a third temple.
Only FM 95.1.
But one person started. Now some person started. This is what I'm seeing. Why? Because sa enyano asa na ntwe na bi ni Israel.
David.
America pen no more. The red heifer. Na ntwe kokko. No makofom and o maba no mabe 3 no ma 3 years. Until this year prophetic no person year in September. And some person in September they will do everything. Some be hanya ntokwan. No more hanya ntokwan do baby. Then Alaska my mosque ombe bombo no. Because na so musi
Sa temple.
And the household on sa count their cancer there. Who they can the entire Arab states. Because almost third holiest place.
Sure. Yeah.
In Germany na be fan personal.
Hey.
As an affront to the Arab states.
As some no can ombe fan 2 personal.
Wow. All those in cinema.
Only FM 95.1.
2 personal.
Wow.
The third temple. Now, everybody should get prepared.
Obi ahobeka.
And I sat down as an idea. There's so for me to China. I can be after one. You see, third temple is mine. It is of Yania. Until the third that temple is built. Yes, you need it in the Ochanaka. So anymore.
Until they decide to take off this year.
They decide.
We are saying,
oh yes, by all the way to September. Momentum then another shift
will take over
from October.
Okay.
Wow.
Apostle Francis Amoako Atta and I'll tell you nkano. Ochiremu bibi besi Israel ne Saudi Arabia ne Arab countries ne ntokwan sensem ye. Se wiase ntima nso ano a eno ano no September to October 2025 we need na Yesu aba etu ya niam no ahweye no tirem se atorancham abatu tu wiase nyina de ehu sesi ano monketo eja ahyehe kantamanto bi te enema esisi Ghana ha 2025 mpanya asembeto but tire se we monketo afi na akese no ebeba ubetwa kire wadwene e wo comment section aha Penyah blog media.